I am Julie, the Customer Service Manager here at Life Brands North America. Life Brands has over 140 years of family tradition, led by our owner and CEO, Lars Eller-Brock, who is a third-generation owner of one of the largest tea houses in the world. Under the Life Brands umbrella, we have two core brands. Revolution Tea has been in the American market for over 20 years and focuses on social responsibilities. The other brand is Just Tea, brand new to the American market with focus on organics and sustainable initiatives. Revolution Tea was acquired in 2021 by Life Brands, which made it necessary for us to migrate to Business Central. Inecta was a crucial part of that transition. With their support and training, it made that a very seamless and easy task for us. With Business Central, it makes it very easy for us to visually see where our company is benchmarking at, depending on the time of the year. So we have pretty clear visibility into how well we're doing, how much revenue we're bringing in, and where we have left to meet the rest of our goals. Business Central has given us the capability to hold our inventory reports directly from the platform. That way we have clear visibility into what we're moving out so we can better forecast what we need to bring in.
We decided that we wanted to see if Shopify would create deposits in BC, which it wasn't doing before. I was managing all those. I was entering those by hand. So we went to Sheila and said, can BC do this? Can it create these deposits so I don't have to? And Sheila was, yeah, of course we can do that. And so they created a process in the background that created all that for me so I didn't have to. So yeah, I love Sheila. Sheila's great. Well, as a small business, we don't have a lot of hands to help do all the things necessary to get orders from the website into Business Central. And so having Shopify to do that for us in the background seamlessly is what makes everything work for us. We have a co-packer in New Jersey that packs our items for us, and we really needed a way in Business Central to track the movement of the inventory. So we went to inecta to see if they could build a process that would subcontract the work for us in Business Central to track that. And they did, and it works seamlessly.
As a small company, having someone like inecta support us is not only important, but crucial to our success. As we grow as a business, we know that inecta will be that partner to have our backs, so that way we're able to focus on more important things like cultivating relationships with our customers, suppliers, vendors, which is the heart of what we do.
The nice thing about inecta is the fact that they do train well, because not all companies will do that. They want you to come back to charge you more money. Inecta is one that they do the training so that we don't have to use them as often. When I first started here, we were still paying like $8,000 or $9,000 a month for all of the things that we were still trying to get right in the system. But because they've trained us, we have gotten that down to a fraction of that every month, or we only have to call them when we have something that breaks that's generally not related to the system, it's external that is a problem. The role that inecta plays for us is the day-to-day support for updates, right? We have a system that's always updated because we have a partner that knows how to maintain the system. That's something that you don't get with just every company.